How to link your Epic Games account to PlayStation Network. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar and type Epic Games. Now simply tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Epic Games website. Now wait for the screen to load. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now tap on your profile and simply sign in into your account. Now once you sign in, simply tap on account. Now wait for some time for the website to load. Now tap on account setting. Now scroll down and simply tap on apps and accounts. Again scroll down. Now under PlayStation Network simply tap on connect. Now wait for some time. Now scroll down and tap on connect account. Wait for some time. Now sign in into your PlayStation account and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.